Hi, welcome to Flowers to Impress School of Floristry. Today we're going to make a Christmas landscape. Here I create little landscape imagination of my sleepy village somewhere in a faraway land ready for a Christmas. I have a little houses, I already created some little trees, and I will now just do the background of the forest. Chinchirinchis is very interesting flower that start to flowering on around the Christmas time, and they opening from down to up, and they has like a circle of the little tiny flower that's beautiful when they open. So I will have imagination that is my Christmas tree that will gradually actually open. So that's why placing them, some of them higher, some of them lower. Now I will finish with my moss covering the brick. I'm using same moss because I don't like to kind of introduce something else because we already had that moss over there. So I would like the design be united and looks good. My last touch is going to be snow. This is my finished design. Sunset in a faraway land in a sleepy village on a Christmas day. If you like to make your Christmas decoration this year, please visit our website. We have a lesson step by step how to make wreath, Christmas table decoration, bouquet, and much more. Thank you for watching.